Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deliver order on Fiverr. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to search in Google Fiverr and open the Fiverr, and then you need to open your current order. So I'm going to deliver this order. Click on view first, and here you can see the option of deliver now, and you can see that 4 hours left in the delivery. And here I need to upload the work, so let me select the work that I done on for this client, and here you can write the description and the delivery details. So I'm going to use this template and click on deliver. So now you can see that my order is delivering, and here you need to click on dashboard, and now you can see the order is in waiting response. So this is a process by which you can deliver order on Fiverr. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.